Strutter here, February 28th, 2018. In 2001, printing of the Canadian $1,000 bill ended, but the government promised it would never be demonetized. Today, another step on the cashless society staircase was sneaked into the 2018 budget, and the $1,000 bill is no longer tender. You may recall the Canadian penny being demonetized in 2012 the same way. The new law also demonetizes other bills, including the $1 and $2 bills, which are also not in print currently. In total, over 1.1 billion privately held dollars have been voided by decree. Here are some of those dollars. I've got a bunch of the ones, and these are some of the older ones. Slightly different each one. This one says Canadian Bank Company Limited here. This one says Centennial Canadian Confederation. It's got some symbols here. And the twos. Going back in time, some older twos, and then some of the really older twos. These ones are beat up. It says, Bank of Canada will pay to the bearer on demand. $2. British American Banknote Company Limited, that one says. Weird. But anyway, I don't have a $1,000 note to show you, but the ones and twos here are being demonetized along with all the other ones and twos in Canada and all the other $1,000 notes in Canada. In total, $1.1 billion. The government assures Canadians that this is done for national security, public safety, and increased convenience. And law-abiding citizens, of course, can deposit their legally obtained $1,000 notes into the bank accounts for a limited time. Gee, thanks. So as long as we quickly deposit and show proof that we have rightful ownership of our privately owned cash into our bank accounts, then we're allowed to keep it, but otherwise it's becoming totally worthless. Awesome. Not. The move will apparently defund criminals such as money launderers, unlicensed cannabis producers, and terror groups. But this is really part of the ongoing war on cash. We know that. I've been following it and talking about it on this channel for over 10 years now. And it's part of the debasement of the currency. And it punishes saving, it punishes savers, it punishes privacy, it destroys it. And it's not good for people. It consolidates control in the hands of the government and the banks and takes power away from the people. I'm not any fan of fiat currency myself, and I've been vocal about that on this channel for a long time. I do prefer precious metals as money, and I prefer decentralized cryptos as currency. But there is a place for fiat currency, and that is small private transactions between people. And the coming end of all private fiat cash is a big issue, as it will change society fundamentally.